In this video we will learn what is the difference between class components and functional components. In React, components can be created using either class components or functional components. Both serve the same purpose of defining parts of a UI, but they have some key differences in syntax, capabilities, and usage. Class components are AS6 classes, also known as ECMAScript 2015, that extend from React component. They can hold their own state and lifecycle methods. Let's see an example class components and its key features. State management can manage local component state. Lifecycle methods have access to lifecycle methods like component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. This dot binding require binding of this in event handlers. Functional components are simpler and are defined as JavaScript functions. They can now also manage state and side effects using hooks, which were introduced in React 16.8. Let's see an example of functional component and its key features. Hooks use hooks like useState and useEffect for state management and lifecycle functionalities. Simpler syntax, more concise and easier to read. No this dot binding, no need for this, making it easier to handle event handlers. Class components use ES6 class syntax. Functional components use plain JavaScript functions. Class components manage state using this dot state and have lifecycle methods. Functional components use useState and useEffect hooks for state and side effects. Class components require binding of the this keyword, which can complicate code. Functional components do not use this, simplifying the code structure. Functional components can be more performant due to their simpler nature, especially with optimizations like React.memo. Class components are still supported but are generally less favored in new code, as functional components with hooks can accomplish the same tasks with cleaner syntax. While both class components and functional components can be used to build React applications, functional components with hooks are now the recommended approach due to their simplicity and powerful capabilities. Over time, React has shifted towards encouraging the use of functional components, making them the more modern choice for new development. Thank you for watching. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए या नहीं? अपना फीडबैक जरूर देना एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब।